Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this Ange Fan Hair Clipper Salon set. So just kind of give you an idea, that's the size box it comes in. And let's open that up. And you have a bunch of different attachments here. And let me just kind of get that better frame for everybody. So that is your one size clipper. So obviously it's wireless, rechargeable. And then you have like the smaller clipper, same thing. That protecting clip comes off. So very cool. And that is also wireless. And then you get a bunch of different combs that will fit these clippers. Like this, I mean, there's a whole bunch in here. So that's just like one bag right there. So a bunch of different hair lengths. See if I can get them back in the bag. And I think we'll get that to fit. Okay, there we go. So then here is a second bag for all your different hair lengths and depths. So very cool, very neat. And the fact that it's wireless, really cool. There's nothing more annoying than you gotta like move the clip around and move the wire around and everything else. It does come with a charging block, which is like super helpful. And it comes with some mineral oil so you can keep your blades nice and smooth. So you just like one or two drops every time that you use it, or after you use it, just turn it back on, let the oil kind of work its way in, and then you're done and gone. You get 2 charging cables, one for each unit. And then I think you get a whole bunch of stuff underneath here too. So you get, I mean, this is a complete set. Like, you don't need anything else. So this has 2 scissors and a comb. I can figure out how to open the storage bag. So you get a comb, very helpful. And then you get 2 sets of scissors in here. That's cool. So that one has that kind of like the fine serrated blade to it. Then you have this other scissor, and they have a good feel. They're nice and tight, and I love watching scissors, how they just kind of like glide down on the blade for you, so you know it's a good quality scissor. And comb, so we'll put that back in there. So that is your owner's manual, and then you have an apron to put around your client or yourself, depending on what you're doing. But yeah, what a great compact wireless set that you can basically bring anywhere with you. So you can do haircuts on the road, travel, anything that you need. But anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe and neat out there.